We are in Yunogo Onsen, which is in Mimisaka, in Okayama Prefecture of Japan. It's a onsen hot springs town. This is Kifu No Sato, a luxury ryokan in the heart of Yunogo Onsen. We have a suite room called Hiougi on the second floor. Let's take a look. This is the entranceway. Let's start right off the bat with the vanity, dual vanity, towels, shower. This is the indoor tub, just regular water, hot water. And then out here is an open air onsen hot springs bath. Always preferred and appreciated. So swinging back inside, before we go into the living rooms, here is the toilet with Japanese technology. You have the living room here, or we should say living room / dining room. There's both here. Don't know which you would call which, but this is the dining room. This is where we'll actually have dinner tonight. One of the few places where you can actually request dinner served in the room, which is becoming increasingly uncommon. This is the bedroom. You can slide the sliding door shut for peace and privacy. Over here there's a little yard. Again, to the left is where the outdoor onsen bath was. Some maple trees, mountains in the distance. Below the TV to the right is a refrigerator, a minibar. And then over here is another living room. A smaller TV, a closet, an area where they have the yukata that you wear, and then over here is where they store the futon blankets, which for this room you don't really need. You might need it if you have more than 2 people staying here to share. And then there's some nice little decorations here. And then there's not an awesome view, but there is a... Let's take a look to see what's outside here. Yeah, not much of one. Again, it's in the middle of an onsen town. You can see mountains in the distance. So this barrier here ensures privacy, so it's a fair enough trade-off. Anyway, so this is Kifu No Sato in the Yunogo Onsen area in Okayama Prefecture of Japan. The Hiougi Suite